In this video, I will show you how to start your Supliful business. So basically, a Supliful business is your own private label supplement business. So they have a bunch of different types of supplements that you can put your own labels on, and it's basically print on demand like with t-shirts, but then for supplements. So Supliful is a really nice tool and I've used it a lot, and it's my favorite print on demand supplement business out there. And they have really good pricing, it's really easy to use, and in this video I'll basically show you how you can actually start using it, from selecting the products and signing up to Supliful, to how you can actually design the labels and how you can actually sell them. And to sell them we are going to use Shopify, and Shopify is also really cheap. I'll leave my link to Shopify down in the description. It is my affiliate link, but with that link you will get a 3-day free trial and your first month on any of their plans for only $1. So it's a really good deal, and you can get started for basically the first month and 3 days for only $1. On top of that, I will also leave my affiliate link to Supliful down in the description, and using that link is of no additional cost to you and it helps support the channel. So if you want to get started for free, you can sign up through the link down in the description, and that will take you to this page. Now from here what we are going to do is click on sign up in the top right. Then from here you will see this screen where you want to go and enter your full name, your email and your password. Then where it says what describes you best, you can pick any of these right here. So for example, I will select creator or influencer, then click on register. So then we have already created our account. Now here you have a tour. Now I'm going to skip this since I will show you how you can actually do this. So here you will then get to their product catalog. So they have a bunch of different types of products. Now to make this easier, you can filter by a category. So the very first step to starting your Supliful business is to pick a product or product type that you want to sell to some kind of an audience. So let's say that I want to sell proteins and blends, then I will filter by that and click apply filter. Now you have collagen, grass-fed collagen, protein powder and a bunch of different types of products here. So just find a product that you would like to sell. For example, I will take this grass-fed collagen right here, and you can see the pricing is from $18.10 and the suggested retail price is $29. So that leaves you with a profit margin of $10.90 per product sold. So that is a really good price. Now you can see that this one is out of stock, expected July 12th. So I will actually take this one. It's also a little bit cheaper and the suggested retail price is a lot higher, as you can see. So I will go and select this one. Now here you will see the actual product and you can see the mockups that they have. Now you can use this mockup right here and the product label mockup completely for free, but if you want to use this mockup and this mockup with your own label on it, you will need to have one of their subscriptions, but you don't have to. However, if you also get a subscription, you will see you also get a small discount on the actual product cost. So what we are now going to do is on the free plan, which is what I'm using, you can just click customize and sell right here, and then it will say you need to activate your account. So in order to activate your account, you need to verify your email. So click verify email, and then a 6-digit code has been sent to your email address that you used to sign up. So fill that in. Then go and click verify. So now we can move on to the next step, which is in my products. Right here you will find the product where we just clicked on customize and sell, and you will see it as one of your drafts right here. So click on the edit icon, and now we can actually start designing our product. So first what we are going to do is change the description to what we want it to be. So that's the name right here. So just go and customize this to whatever you like and do the same for the description. Now in my opinion this description does look really good already, because it kind of highlights the benefits of this product. It shows the ingredients, flavor, manufacturer country, and by the way you can see that the manufacturer country is USA. So the products of Supliful are really high quality, and that's not only because they are made in the USA, but they are actually really good. So now you want to go and customize the price. So the Supliful price is $18. Now let's say that we want to charge $35 for this. Then you want to enter that right here and click save. So that leaves you with a $17 profit margin in this case. So next what we are going to do is customize our label. So you can use the Canva editor, Adobe Illustrator, or you can get a done for you design. Now if you want to save some money, you can do it yourself with Canva or Adobe Illustrator. And by the way, when you do use Canva, you will actually get a template right here that is already in the correct format. So then you can just go and customize this. However, their done for you designs look really good, and I'll show you a couple of them right here. So you can get the label design, and you can see it looks something like what you will see right here. So you can tell them what you're looking for, what you want, and they will create a really good looking label for you. So you need to submit the request, and then you can share your feedback, and they will actually actually tailor it to your liking. Now if you're wondering how much this costs, the label designs are a $199 one-time payment. For this, they will design labels for up to 5 products. So you can get this if you want, or you can choose to do it yourself right here by clicking use template, and this is in Canva. And Canva is, by the way, completely free to use. And now here you can also go and customize this if you want. So I've just created a really bare label right here, but you want to make this look good. But I just want to show you that if you create a design yourself, you will actually get the mockup. So once you're done with designing, you can click share and then click download. And now for the file type, you want to select PDF standard and then click on download. So now you can go back to Supliful and click on upload label PDF, then click upload PDF and just upload the file, and then click on submit. So now it will actually be regenerating the product mockup for you using the PDF that you just uploaded. Now if you really want to take this seriously, I do recommend to get the Supliful label design, since that is a team of experts that will do that for you. However, if you're good at designing stuff yourself, you can just do it yourself. So you will now see that it actually has the mockup with my label on it. So this is the label I just designed. Now you can see this one and this one right here are both completely free because they don't have the Supliful logo on it, but for this one you will see the Supliful branding. So you see that for this one and this one as well. Now these mockups do look really nice, and if you do want to have those, you need to have a subscription. So you can see that right here. In the free plan you can of course use it for free. However, in the starter plan you will get the additional product mockups up to 15% discount, and you will get live customer support, and then you can even upgrade to this one, but this one is quite expensive, but you can also get that if you want. However, you can also just use it for free, and that is what I will show you how to do so that you can actually start your Supliful business completely for free. So now that we have created our design, what we are going to do next is click start selling here. So we have uploaded our label print PDF. Next we will set up your store. So click on the link here, and then you need to connect your Shopify account. Again, you can create your account using the link down in the description to get started completely for free, no credit card required. So after signing up through that link, go and click Shopify right here and make sure you have a tab open with your store, because then you will be taken here automatically and you can just click install and then confirm by clicking install again. So now we have connected our Shopify store, and all you need to do is click connect store to your email here, and now it will say your store right here. So then go back to your products, and here you will again see the draft, but now with your label on it. So click edit right here, and now we can move on to the final step. And the final step is to again click start selling, and that is to add a payment method. So this payment method will not be used for some kind of a subscription. This payment method will only be used for when you get an order for the product on your Shopify store. Then Supliful can actually charge your card for the actual product cost, which in this case is $18, but you will sell it for $35. And before they charge the $18, you will already have made whatever you are selling it for. So that means that you pretty much cannot lose money doing this. So that's what's so good about Supliful. They allow you to sell supplements with your own label without any stock. So in order to finally set up Supliful, click add payment method and fill in your details right here. So then after you add in your payment method, you can simply click publish right here, or you can choose to order your own samples, and then you can actually try out the product for yourself. I do also recommend doing that, but first I will just show you how you can publish the product. So what is happening now is that it is updating the product, and now your product has been published. So if you're wondering where it's been published to, it is to the Shopify store that we just connected. So if you now open up Shopify here and then head over to the product section, you can now see the product right here. So I'll just preview it on my online store, and you can now see the product with our actual label. However, you can see these images have the branding over it, so you can simply remove these images if you don't want to upgrade to one of their subscriptions, and I'll show you how you can do that. So you will see the price has been imported, the name, the actual description, and everything else has been imported. So now they can actually go and click add to cart or buy it now in order to purchase it. However, what we are going to do now is go to our product here by clicking on it, and just remove the images with the Supliful branding. So you have the media here, just click on the edit icon and then just click on delete media on the images that you want to remove. So now we only have this image and this image without the actual branding. Now here I also recommend setting up a compare ad price, for example 50, and then you will have the compare ad price, and I'll show you what that looks like on the actual website. Now here for the inventory, this will also be done automatically, so you have the Supliful fulfillment, and the stock keeping unit has also been done automatically. So Supliful has really set this up for you. even the shipping with the weight, etc. It's all been done automatically for you. Now if I click on preview, you will now also see the compare at price right here, and this will really improve your conversion, so I do recommend adding that. So now people can choose a quantity, for example if they want 2 of them, and then they can click buy it now. However, you do need to set up payments, so in order to do that, go to settings here, and then go to payments, and make sure that you complete the account setup right here in Shopify payments so that people can actually pay for the products. And then what will happen once you get an order, you will see it right here in orders. You will see the order for the Supliful product, and also on Supliful right here, if you go to orders, you will then see the order right here, and then Supliful will actually create the product, so they will put your label on the product you selected and ship it out to your customer. And all you need to do is add as many products to your Shopify store as you want and just market them, and you will be making a lot of money, and there's basically no way to lose money except for the Shopify subscription. As you can see, you can get started for as little as 21 euros per month. So if you sell about 2 products per month, you will already have that back. And again, you can get your first month for only $1 with the link down in the description. And if you want to get started with Supliful for free, I will also leave my link to Supliful down in the description that you can use to create your account completely for free. So now just go and follow this process as many times as you want and just add any product to your Shopify store that you want, and then you can actually start selling them. They also have ashwagandha, BCAA, bee pearl, they even have coffee, and they have a bunch of different types of products. So I couldn't recommend Supliful more. It's a great tool, and I really recommend using it to start your supplement business. Now the final step that you want to do is to go to your Shopify store and then click online store and to customize your actual store. So you can choose your theme, and if you click customize here, you can also actually customize kind of what your store looks like. So you can go to your product page, and then you can also customize your product page. So now you know how to start your Supliful business. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.